Item number SCP-233. Object Class Keter. Special Containment Procedure. SCP-233 is to be kept within a cubical vanadium-lined container, dimensions 23 by 23 by 23. The unit measure is irrelevant. A 23-meter safe zone is to be established around the object. No Class C personnel older or younger than 23 years of age are to be allowed within the safe zone. For optimal results, Class C personnel with birthdays falling on the 23rd of the month should be used. No firearms other than those chambered for a special purpose. .23 caliber rounds are to be allowed within the containment chamber. Shift changes will occur at 23 minutes past the hour, with the final shift change occurring at 23:23 Greenwich Mean Time. Exactly. Under no circumstances are redacted millimeter ammunition, Class C personnel born in the month of blank, one of redacted, or the redacted, or 20 redacted of the month of any redacted sided object, or any redacted sided object to be brought within the 23-meter safe zone. Personnel are cautioned to take special care at redacted minutes past the hour. Especially redacted hours at this time period during which the object is most active for best results. The 23-meter safe zone should be cleared of all personnel during that time period. Description: SCP-233 is a 23-sided polyhedron, each face being made up of both an equilateral triangle and a straight line simultaneously. Because of the space-time altering nature of this object, the exact physical makeup of the object cannot be emulated in three-dimensional or two-dimensional form. SCP-233 has the unusual property of altering the laws of mathematics in its vicinity, causing rounding errors to occur unless calculated using a base 23 system. Mathematical calculations carried out in base 23, however, with the benefit of being carried out at 23 times the normal speed. For this reason, destruction of the item has been postponed, pending possible integration into the expunged. The difficulty of converting binary information into base 23 mathematics aside, the device has already been shown its value to the organization. See Report 234 redacted by Nana Redacted regarding her unusual situation to the United Field Theory. Unfortunately, SCP-233 appears to have a particularly violent effect upon occurrences of the number redacted, occurring within the safe zone. See Report Death of Nana Redacted on Redacted Date Redacted. Chemical breakdown of the affected object proceeds at a rapid rate. Direct contact results with an immediate destruction of the object in question by breakdown into component atoms with a 0.23 seconds. Note: SCP-233 appears to be triggered not by actual physical properties for the object in question in any imperial sense, but by the perceptions of hereby observers. For instance, it is safe to handle SCP-233 using a 2.4774 meter long pole so long as no observers in the nature zone perceive said pole as being redacted feet in length. The reason for this is unknown, but the observer effect recorded in classical quantum physics may be involved. See Report 77 Hainsberg. Addendum 233-A. Upon recommendation of Dr. A. Clef, the research committee has petitioned to redesignate the subject as SCP-2323, although this would place the item outside the standard numbering scheme. SCP-233's mathematical nature requires that utmost precautions to be taken regarding all numbering schemes involving data related with the project. This was dramatically illustrated during Incident Redacted, during which the object's initial contact with a redacted volt battery used in a powered personal music device caused an approximately redacted 1,000% increase in the object's range of effect to SCP-232.32 kilometers, resulting in deaths in the entire home team at a nearby AAA League baseball game. Said game being at the top of the redacted ending at the time, and the destruction of all computer files containing information on SCP-233's interaction with the number redacted. For the safety of all personnel, future references to the number redacted in conjunction with SCP-233 is to be avoided at all costs. Addendum 233-B. Under no circumstances are pregnant female personnel to be allowed within the safe zone.